Okay, is youth interviewed in my job. I work as sport assistant in a community program. I help organize training sessions, support the coach, and motivate young athletes to stay active and disciplined. One of my biggest achievements was helping a group of children prepare for a local football tournament. They improved a lot and we won second place. It was very rewarding to see their progress. I had around 2 years of experience working in sport programs, especially with children and teenagers. I be helping in football training, physical activity training, and group coordination. I am a good communicator, respectful and listen to others and can motivate the group. He'll solve the problems and organize try to work and still I also stay calm under pressure. I did now relate it the program I worked in indeed. It has a temporary position, but I am looking for new opportunities where I can grow and continue helping through sport. I am open to negotiation, but I would like a fair salary according to my experience and responsibilities. What matters most to me is the opportunity to learn and to contribute. In 5 years, I see myself working in a sport organization, maybe as a coach or physical education teacher, helping young people improve through sport and education. And responsible organization and a passionate about sport. I am also good at working with kids and adapt, adaptation to different situation. Sometimes I am too self-demanding, but I am learning to manage stress and focus on progress, not just perfection. Because I believe in the power of sport to transform lives. I want to support the community, teach values, and grow professionally with a program that has a real impact. Thanks. Bye.